Hello everyone, welcome to Analog IAS. In this video, we'll be discussing one of the flagship scheme of the government, that is MGNREGA Act. The MGNREGA Act, also called as the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Generation Act of 2005, is a flagship scheme of the government. It promotes employment in the rural areas and also the inclusive growth. The main objectives of the MGNREGA Act is the rights-based approach. That is, for the first time, right to work has been included as a fundamental right under Article 21 of the Constitution. According to this Act, the government needs to provide at least 100 days of guaranteed wage employment work in a financial year to every rural household who is willing to do unskilled manual work. Remember, it is unskilled manual work. It also strengthens the decentralization by giving pivotal role to the local government bodies like Gram Panchayats, Gram Sabha, etc. Now let us look into the features of the Act. As we have already discussed, it is a rights-based framework for adult members of the rural household. It also provides a time-bound guarantee, that is, if a person who is willing to do the work has to register himself at the Gram Panchayat level, and within 15 days he needs to be allotted the work, else unemployment allowance is paid for the duration till the work is given to him. It is also labor-intensive work, that is, in the ratio of 60:40. The revenue is shared in the ratio of 60:40. 60 for the wage and 40 for the material. The government also needs to provide worksite facilities like creche, drinking water, first aid, and also shade. The Act promotes the decentralized planning, that is, Gram Sabha will recommend the work, and the principal role of the Panchayati Raj institutions in this Act is providing planning, implementation and monitoring of the work within the ambit of the Gram Panchayat. The main important feature of this Act is that at least 1/3 of the beneficiaries should be women, and the funding ratio is 100% towards unskilled and 75% towards skilled, and semi-skilled and material is borne by the central government, and the rest, that is 25% of the skilled, semi-skilled and material, is borne by the state government. The Act explicitly provides for the social audit for monitoring the execution of work within the Gram Panchayat level. Social audit is an important tool where the work done by the Gram Panchayat is audited by the members of the Gram Panchayat itself for greater accountability and transparency. Now let us solve this question. Consider the following statements regarding MGNREGA Act of 2005. Ministry of Rural Development monitors the implementation of this Act. Social audit is provided explicitly under this Act. The correct answer is C, both. Thank you.